Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tora, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting, comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors, and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
Hagar penyutrik risau ajar puar umentri rangba kejelau konrek kisangma ula play ba ya kasurok Banlej College of Teacher Education and ka PGT bar kumjuru ya ka ying building ka balapan kha jong ka college ya ka ying school ka balapan kha la baiting ka na katnat NEC bar ya ka surok pat la baiting ka da karusa habakran ha ka si korek kisang mau lo ong ba ka college ka bapau jong ka jala Pat bon ba ki kwa ban yorung ban shahi kai hakani ka college. Kumta ka jing play ya ka te ka jing tay ka balapan kha kan la ban ai ka jing shakri ka bakham ba shu shu. Hakani ka silai don lang umitri rang ba ban rap ka sarkar chalao ba prasun ten song u commissioner but secretary ka tanat puliputhi u Dr. BDR Tiwari but kiwe.
And in spite of the challenges, every year you're taking in 38 students out here. But it is not enough. And as was mentioned by Madam Principal, that there is a huge need to expand this because this college is doing very well. It's affiliated to NEHU, and every year you're producing, graduates out here who are coming out with B.Ed degrees, which are very important and essential. So therefore, there is definitely a need to see some sort of expansion. I'm happy to see that some expansion has taken place with the help of different fundings from state government, as well as from RUSA and from NEC, but we can clearly see that there is much more that's required. So definitely, I'm not very clear, of course, as of now, on the needs that are there. I have requested Madam Principal to submit a small note, a concept note or a letter or an application describing the entire situation that is there and sharing with us what the needs are. And definitely would be very keen to support in every way that is possible. You're aware that education has been one of the top priorities for us. And when I say that, I know that a lot of people expect that, that everything should change in a matter of years or months. But the education sector itself is one of the biggest challenges, I should say, for the state of Meghalaya. Because the kind of systems that are existing right now, the kind of lack in infrastructure that we have, the kind of lack in training that we have, the kind of different categories of numbers of teachers. We have more than 26 categories of teachers in our state right now. And we have almost close to more than about 16,000 schools as we speak and colleges right now, whereas compared to our state of Meghalaya, like a state like Manipur, which is equally in terms of population and area, they have close to about 4,000-5,000 schools. So we have almost 3 times more schools than other states which have the similar population like ours. Have just 25% of the number of schools and institutes. So clearly shows the kind of challenges that are there, and these cannot be changed in one day. These require efforts to be made and systematic efforts because there are people who are engaged in this. Livelihoods are affected in this. Huge financial implications are there. Set systems which need to be then changed needs to be done. These things cannot be done in one swift blow. It requires us to systematically move and change things, and that's the reason why education is a very, very complicated sector for us in our state.